Hey guys, it's me, Alan JD for Life, bringing dip review number 3. As you can see, it is Kayak LongCut Wintergreen. Probably the best kayak, I say. Most people disagree, but as you see, every kayak can comes in a different color, which I'm surprised about that. So let's get cracking. And as I do this review, I would like to give a shout out to Dippin Mother Trucker, aka Casey and Sara Love. They're pretty cool girls. One of them is not a dipper, but she does tell about her everyday life. And Casey, aka Dippin Mother Trucker, she's been going through a lot. So hopefully everybody can send some prayers for them. They're really nice. They're really sweet girls. I believe in Wisconsin, if I'm not mistaken. But a lot of them's going through some stuff, and I like to send some prayers out and some shout outs. But let's take a whiff of this. And as you see, it's pretty dark. Not too bad. Smells like, if you remember that, what was that gum used to be called? Gosh. Extra. It reminds me of that smell. Not too bad of a smell. I say this, and the mint is the most tolerable kayak. So let's get, and I still feel that hockey puck, so let's get a dip. As you see, there's my dip right there. A little too much. And finally got it in. And this is definitely better than the straight and the, you want to call the apple. Definitely more tolerable. For a low budget dip, this is not too bad as people seemed it to be. I mean, I'm a fan of Longhorn myself, so I mean, the worst dip I say was that straight kayak. That kayak straight was barely tolerable. It was hard dipping that whole roll. So let me get some spit. Spit's not too dark, but it's fine. I'm going to give this one a 7 out of 10. It's very tolerable. Not too bad for $6 for a whole roll. So I'm going to say this is very tolerable. Not too bad of a dip, but I mean, people do slam this dip a lot. I don't understand. I mean, it's a tolerable dip for a low budget price. I say it's the most tolerable wintergreen. This one and the mint's the most tolerable kayaks there are. But until then, this is Alan JD for Life, signing off. Like and subscribe as always. Peace.